Hello friends, it is a database management system assignment 6 of NPTEL course in the year 2019. I am going to explain all the questions in a detailed way. Please put concentration and understand each of the questions explanation clearly. Now coming to question number 1. Secondary indices are. Secondary indices are. Here options are given: clustered index, non-clustered index. Secondary index is also called non-clustered index. We also called it is non-clustered index. So option B is correct. And sparse index is incorrect. It is also called dense index. Here, what is secondary index actually? Secondary index provides secondary means of accessing a file on which some primary access already there. Because primary already there, other than primary key, if we create index, we call it as secondary index. Let us an example. This is my data blocks. These are my data blocks. My data blocks contain some index records which is ordered with respect to roll number of the students. Assume with respect to roll number of the students, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and with respect to their passport number, which is unordered. Okay, which is unordered. Say for passport number, I am using some letter for indicating the passport number. Say it is C, this is A, this is B, this is D. Okay, means data file is ordered with respect to primary key because secondary says primary already existed. Primary already existed means file is ordered on primary key, roll number column. Now other than primary key, if I wanted to create an index, means if I wanted to create index on passport. Now index is always ordered file with two fields. First field is a key field on which you are creating an index. Second field is a pointer. Now on passport, if I want to create an index, what could be my first index record? A, that is pointing to this second record. The next index record is B, this should be pointing to this third record. Then C, this should point into the first record. Then D, this should point into the fourth record, right? Now here you observe, because data file with respect to passport is unordered, with respect to index it is ordered file. Why? Because index should always be ordered. That's why we have to take passport numbers in the ordered fashion. That's why we call secondary index provides logical ordering of the data file. And observe friends, here index entry is created for every record. For every record index is created. If index is created for each record, we call it is dense index. What is dense? What is dense? Index entry created for each record in the data file. Because index entry is created for every record, we call it is a dense index. So answer for the question 1 is both option B and option D. Now coming to question number 2. The question is, which of the following are true for 2, 3, 4 trees? Which of the following are true for 2, 3, 4 trees? What is 2, 3, 4 trees? Every node in a 2, 3, 4 tree is a 2 node. We call it as a 2 node tree, or 3 node, or we call 4 node or 4 node tree. What does it mean 2 node, 3 node, 4 node? That 2 node, 3 node or 4 node holds 1, 2 or 3 data elements. 1, 2 or 3 data elements respectively. Then what is the meaning of 2 node? Means a node need to have 2 links. If it is a 2 node, 1 data is possible, 1 data, and required to have 2 links. If it is a 3 node, it requires to have 2 data, say A, B, and need to have 3 links. Suppose if it is a 4 node 2, 3, 4 trees, it means there should be 3 data like A, B, C and 4 links. That's the name called 2, 3, 4 trees. That's why we call it is a 2, 3, 4 trees. That is meaning that every node is a 2 node or 3 node or 4 node and holds 1, 2 or 3 data elements respectively. Now question is, which is true for 2, 3, 4 trees? Now here you look, it is a 3 node. It is a 3 node tree. Why I am calling it as a 3 node tree? Because it is having 2 data elements and 3 links. And it is a property that left subtree should have lesser values. It is correct. And this middle one need to be greater than S, less than L. Here it is given greater than S, less than L. It is perfectly right. And this right subtree need to have greater than L values. So this option A is perfectly correct. Now look for option B. Left subtree is greater than S is incorrect. Always left subtree should have lesser values. So option B is incorrect. Now coming to option C, left subtree is less than S. Now when look for that subtree which is between S and M, should have key values that are greater than S and less than M, correct? Between M and L, if subtree is there, that should be greater than M and less than L. Greater than M and less than L, correct? And right of L should be greater than L. So that option C is correct. Now this is option D. Now what option D given? Left subtree is greater than S is given. It is incorrect. So option D is incorrect. So what is a true for question number 2? Both option A and option C are true for question number 2. Coming to question number 3. Now question is, which of the following cell splitting strategies are possible in 2-3-4 trees? Which of the following cell splitting strategies are possible in 2-3-4 trees? Here it is given 3-node tree. What is 3-node tree? 3-node tree means it requires to have 2 data elements like A and B, and requires to have 3 links. That's why we call it as a 3-node tree. 3-node tree need to have 2 data, and how many links? 3 links. This point you keep in mind. Which of the following cell splitting strategies are possible? Now look at it. Is question is about 3-node, but here it is a 4-node. 4-node is not possible, so that it causes split. When a split occurs, this middle one should go up, and left of middle will be S, right of middle will be L. This S will have 2 children's B and C. L requires to have 2 children's D and D. But what it is shown, S is moved up, which is incorrect. This is incorrect, means option A is incorrect. Look for option B. Now a split occurs. Actually question is given 3-node. Now it is 4-node tree. Now it is 4-node. When it is 4-node, but because question is 3-node, it is causing overflow, so that it causes split of this middle should go to up. When M goes up, it is P and M, and M's left will be S, whose 2 children are B and C. M's right will be L, whose 2 children are D and E. See, when M moves up, it is P and M, and P's left is A as it is. M's left is S, M's right is L. Here M's left is S, M's right is L, and S left is B and C, L left is D and M's right is L, and whose 2 children are D and D. So it is a correct option for the question. And there are 2 more options. We'll check the 2 more options also. Option C and option D given. Again it is the same process. M should go up, so it should become PM, right? M's left is S, but M's left is given BC. This is incorrect. So option C is incorrect. Option D same. M should go up, but here it is moved S up. Again this option is incorrect. So option D is incorrect. So what is the correct answer for the question? Option B. Coming to question number 4. Which of these is correct for B plus trees? What is the order of B plus tree? B plus tree order is called N. Now B plus tree is having 2 orders. One for internal node, one for leaf node. If it is internal node, we can call N pointers. If it is a leaf node, N records. N records. Now question is, a leaf node has between N and N minus 1 values. It is incorrect. Actually, a node need to be filled with 50%. We call it is a fill factor of a B tree and B plus tree. So fill factor of B tree and B plus tree is half. And here you observe, if N pointers are there, it need to have N minus 1 values. And observe in the options, they are asking about values, not the pointers. Because values, maximum values will be N minus 1. So here N minus 1 is there with option C and option D. So that, and option A also, right? Maximum. Now option B is incorrect. And minimum will be 50%. 50% means N minus 1 by 2. This is 50%. Now So that option A is incorrect, B is incorrect, and C is incorrect. And which is correct? D. D is the correct one. So means a leaf node has between n-1/2 and n-1 values. This is a possible values possible in a B plus tree. Coming to question number 5. It is given, consider the following B plus tree. This is a tree given. Question is, inserting 85 into this tree will result into which of the following trees? Some options are given. Here observe what the tree given is. Look at this node. It is having 1, 2, 3 key values and 1, 2, 3 pointers, means 3 childrens. And actually there is a flaw in the question. What is a flaw? What is the flaw? Here we have 3 keys, means it requires to have 4 pointers, means 4 children should be there. Why? Because B plus tree is a balanced search tree. We also call it a height balanced search tree. We call it is height balanced search tree. Because there is no right child of 92, it is not a balanced search tree, means it is a flaw in the question. Because it is a flaw in the question, just we can ignore this question. Or else we also say that if it is a B plus tree, if I am looking for a particular internal node with some value, some key is there, and its left subtree should have less than or equal to values. You look, 30's left is 17, 7, 12, 23, but 30 is not there. Or its left subtree should be lesser values. Okay, here I'm assuming 30's left is 7, 12, 23. It is correct. But right subtree should be greater than or equal to. But you see, 30's right does not have 30. Does not have 30, means actually the tree given is incorrect representation. Because incorrect representation, I suggest you please ignore this question. Question number 6. Identify the correct hash function used in the following hashing. Now what is a hash function? It is used, we need to find. These are the hash buckets. We call bucket 0, 1, 2 and so on. These are the data records are given. Here we need to find what is the correct hash function. The first one, it is given sum of digits of ID modulus 8. Now observe this. What is the sum of digits? 2 plus 3. What is the modulus 8? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 modulus 8 equal to 5. So means this 23 should go into the fifth bucket. But observe friends, we don't have a fifth bucket. So that option A is incorrect. Look for option B. ID modulus 4. Sum of digits of ID modulus 4. Say first record I'm looking, 2 plus 3, that is 5 modulus 4. 5 modulus 4 is 1. So means this 23 should be placed into the bucket 1. Yes, 23 is placed into the bucket 1. Similarly, 1 plus 0, 1 modulus 4, 1. So 10 also should be placed into the bucket 1. Okay, this is also correct. 53 means 5 plus 3, 8. 8 modulus 4 equal to 0. It should be there in the 0th bucket, correct? 3 plus 7, 10. Modulus 4, 2. It should go into the bucket 2. Yes, correct. And 15, 1 plus 5, 6. Modulus 4, 2. So that this should go into the second bucket. So what is the correct hash function? Sum of digits of ID modulus 4. So that option C and D are incorrect options. Question number 7. Consider the following table. Some table is given, ID, stream and grade. Now the question is the bitmap indices of stream, IT and grade A are respectively. Stream, IT and grade A respectively, sorry. The bitmap indices of stream IT means on IT and grade A on this one are respectively. Here bitmap indices are a special type of index designed for efficient querying on multiple keys. In a bitmap index for value V, in a bitmap index for some value V, the bit for a record is 1. The bit for that record is 1 if the record has a value V. Okay, if the record has a value V for that attribute and is 0 otherwise. Suppose if it is to find bitmap indices for stream column on value IT, means if value IT is there in that column, it is represented with 1. Okay, here also IT is there, it is represented 1. Remaining all are zeros. And bitmap indices on grade A, on grade attribute with value A, means if value A is there, it is represented with 1, and remaining all other, it is represented with 0. Now what is the bitmap indices on string for the value IT? That is 0 1 0 0 1. Bitmap indices on grade for value A, it is 1 1 0 0 1. Now it is matching with which option? 0 1 0 0 1, it is okay. 1 1 0 0 1, this is okay. So answer for the question number 7 is option A. Question number 8. The correct SQL query to create bitmap index on attribute grade on the following table student. Now what is the syntax for creating a bitmap index? Now the syntax I'm writing clearly. Please make a note of it. The syntax is create bitmap index. Next we have to use name of the index. We call index name. On we use for relation name, or we call table name, means on which table you want to create an index of attribute list. Means on what attribute I want to create an index. This is a correct syntax for bitmap index. Now look for option A, create bitmap, but index is not mentioned. Here index is not mentioned, it is incorrect. And option B is also incorrect, because here also create bitmap is given, but it is not mentioned index, as in the first option also. So both option A and B are incorrect. Option C, create bitmap index. Name of the bitmap index is grade. On the table name is student. On which attribute? Grade attribute. It is a correct syntax. And option D, create bitmap index. Name of the bitmap index is grade. On the first thing should be relation name, but here it is mentioned attribute name. So option D is incorrect. What is the correct option? That is option C. Question number 9. Consider the following index. Okay, this is some indexes mentioned. This is an example of which of the following indexes. Observe what indexes are created. Here index is created for 10101. After that index is created for 32343. Then it is created for 76766. Observe index is created on this column. With respect to this column, observe these values. File is ordered file. And we have created index only for some of the key values. For these values it is created, not for every value. Because index is created for some values, we call it as a sparse index. And data file is ordered file, and index is created only for some records. We can call it as a primary index. So what kind of index is created? It is a primary index, and type of primary index we call sparse. Option A given, primary and dense, it is incorrect. What dense requires? Index for every key value, but we don't have index for all keys, so that it is incorrect. Option B says secondary index. Secondary specifies other than primary. Other than primary means file should be unordered, but here file is ordered on that column, so that option B is incorrect. Option C is primary index, correct, and sparse index, correct according to my explanation. Option D, secondary index, incorrect. So answer for the question number 9 is option C. Question number 10. Consider the following B plus tree. This is an example of node with 4 pointers, 6 pointers, 8 pointers, 2 pointers are given. Look, this is a node. This node is having key. This is key, and these are called pointers. Now in this node, how many pointers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what we can call, this is a B plus tree that contains a node with how many pointers? 8 pointers. So it is a straightforward question, and answer is option C. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.